Hello 8th standard students, welcome back to our channel Vidyarthi. We are discussing the lesson profit, loss and discount. Now coming to the worksheet 3 regarding the GST percent. The first question, Rehna purchased a dress for rupees 5,400 including 12% GST. Find the price of the dress before GST was added. We have discussed the examples. So the first example under GST percent, isn't it? It's the same sum. So cost of the dress before GST, let the cost of the dress before GST was added, let it be rupees X. Now GST percent, they have given 12%. The cost of the dress including GST percent is given as 5,400. Therefore, the cost of the dress including GST is 5,400 is equal to the cost earlier is X plus 12% of X. Isn't it? So X is what? The cost. 12% is what? The GST percent. So GST we have to add. That is why 12% of X. समझ में आया? अभी इसको सॉल्व करो. X plus 12/100 into X. That is X plus 12x upon 100. Now here the denominator is 1. So LCM is 100. 100 100. 100 into x 100x. जब भी डिनोमिनेटर 1 रहता है इधर LCM जितना वही न्यूमरेटर में जाएगा और मल्टीप्लाई द न्यूमरेटर. 100x प्लस ये डिनोमिनेटर 100 है तो इधर सेम, सो 12x. दैट मीन्स 112x अपॉन 100. That is 5400. Hope everyone is understanding this calculation. Now keep x on the right side. 5400 into 100 upon 112. Now 4 2s are 8, 9, 10, 11, 3 remains. 8s are 32. 4 1s are 4, 1 remains. 4 3s are 12, 2 remains. 5s are 20 and 0. Now 2 7s are 28 and 2 7s are 28. 4 7s are 28, not this. 4 7s are 28, 4 25s are 100. 1350, keep it like that. When you multiply, you will be getting x is equal to 33750 upon 7 and you will get 4821.428. When you round off, it will become 4821.43. The calculation you have to do. Is it clear? x is equal to 4821.43. Answer: the cost of the dress before GST was added is rupees 4821.43. Hope all students understood. Let the cost of the dress before GST was added x, GST percent is 12%, cost of the dress including GST percent is equal to 5400 they have given, but 5400 is equal to the cost of the dress plus GST amount. So GST amount, how you find out? GST percent of the cost. So x plus 12 upon 100 into x, and x plus 12x upon 100. When you take the LCM, it becomes 100x plus 12x. So that is 112x upon 100 is equal to 5400. Then do the calculation. So that was the question number 1. Now coming to the question number 2. Find the amount to be paid for the following items if the GST percent 28% is charged on each item. अलग अलग आइटम दिया गया है, हर एक का कॉस्ट दिया है, GST percent is 28% and find out how much amount has to be paid. So cost of the chocolate is equal to rupees 150. GST percent is 28%. So total cost paid is equal to rupees 150 plus 28% of rupees 150. एग्जाम्पल में मैं अलग अलग करके दिखाई. GST अमाउंट फाइंड आउट करो, फिर उसको ऐड करो. इधर डायरेक्टली हम कर रहे हैं. दिस इज द कॉस्ट एंड GST अमाउंट. सो इट इज अ 150 प्लस 28 upon 100 into 150. 0 0 cut. 5 2s are 5 3s are 2 1s are 2 14s are. That means 150 plus 14 3s are. It is 42. 3 4s are 12. 3 1s are 3 plus 1 4. Answer is rupees 291. So it is the amount paid for the chocolate is rupees 192. Hope you understood this step. So GST amount find out करने का है. मैं उसी क्वेश्चन में उसको एक साथ ऐड करके की. The laptop, cost of the laptop is equal to rupees 55,000. Now GST percent they have told 28%. So total cost paid will be how much? This is the cost of the laptop plus GST amount will be how much? 28% of rupees 55,000. that is 55,000 plus 28 upon 100 into 55,000. Put it within the bracket so that it will be easy for you. 55,000 plus, when you multiply, you will get 154 and 2 zeros. 550 into 28, you will get 15400. So rupees, it will be how much? 2 zeros, 4 plus 0, 4, 5 plus 5, 10, 6, 7, 70,400. So you can put here. Okay. So it is a answer, total amount paid for the laptop is rupees 70,400. Is it clear? Now coming to the third subdivision under this, a perfume bottle. Perfume bottle cost of the perfume bottle is equal to rupees 580. GST percent, they have told 28%. So total cost paid is equal to rupees 580 plus 28% of rupees 580. That is rupees 580 plus 28 upon 100 into 580. 0, 0, cut. It is a 2 5s are 2, 2s are 4, 9s are. Now it is a decimal. In the decimal you will get, it will be 580 plus, when you multiply you will get 812 upon 5. 812 upon 5, that means rupees 580 plus, it will be 1s are 3 remains, 6s are 1 remains, 2s are 10. Now 2 remains, so 20, that is 4 and extra 0. Why extra 0? रुपीस पैसे, इसके लिए वो एक्स्ट्रा 0 हम लेने का है. सो यू गॉट रुपीस, इट इज 40 पैसे, 0 plus 2 2, 8 plus 6 14, 6 7, 742.40. Answer, total amount paid for the perfume bottle is rupees 742.40. So that was the second sum. 3 subdivisions were there. Hope all students understood. So cost of the article plus the GST amount. How to find out the GST amount? GST percent of the cost. Now third question, Raman purchased insecticides for his farm at 23,600 including GST. If the cost of the insecticide was 20,000, how much GST % he paid? So, cost of the insecticide including GST is given and only the cost price is also given. You have to find out the GST %. So, first statement, cost of insecticide including GST is equal to rupees 23,600. Now, cost of insecticide, just the cost, how much it is given? 20,000. तो कितना difference आया? That is the GST amount. It is not the GST %, that is the GST amount. That is 23,600 minus 20,000. So you will be getting rupees 3,600. इतना GST amount है. अभी GST % is equal to, GST कितना है? Upon cost into 100. GST is 3600, cost is 20,000 into 100. So 20 cut, 20 cut, 2 ones are 2 18s are. It is 18%. Hope you understood this sum. See, cost of the insecticide including GST is given. The cost of the insecticide only is given. So, extra that amount, that is the GST amount. Now, GST % is calculated on what? The cost. So, GST upon cost into 100. समझ में आया ना? So, Raman paid a GST % of 18%. That was question number 3. Now coming to the question number, okay, we have finished. All the sums we have finished, isn't it? So, full lesson is over. Profit, loss and discount, and the last worksheet was of a GST %. Hope all students understood all the topics. But please, you have to repeat the sums 2 or 3 times to get the confidence. All the best. Thank you for watching the video. Bye.